Love for the home begins before the sunrise at Anlin Windows and Doors. Every team member is part of the Anlin process, Anlin technology, and every Anlin component that goes into becoming a permanent part of your home and part of your life. That's for every day and every night with beauty, security, and efficiency, because we choose to make it all about you. Good morning, sunshine. This day is yours. Your happily ever after stories. Your quiet coffee time. You just being daddy. A lifetime dancing in the kitchen. Letting your mind wander. Best wishes for family and friends in every celebration. And for every time you tuck in your most precious treasure, sweet dreams. Love for the home from Anlin Windows and Doors.